Once upon a time, in a peaceful kingdom, a small mistake changed everything. This is a simple yet powerful story about loyalty, care, and the danger of acting without thinking. Let us read The King and the Foolish Monkey and learn an important life lesson in an easy and enjoyable way. Story: The King and the Foolish Monkey. Once upon a time, there lived a kind king. He ruled his kingdom wisely and loved peace. The king had a pet monkey. The monkey was very loyal to the king. It followed him everywhere and tried to help him. One afternoon, the king felt tired. He lay down on his bed to rest. The monkey sat near him to guard him. Soon, the king fell asleep. The room was quiet and calm. After some time, a fly came into the room. It began to sit on the king's face. The monkey saw the fly and felt angry. It wanted to help the king. The monkey waved its hand to chase the fly away, but the fly kept coming back again and again. The monkey became more upset. It thought hard and got an idea. Near the bed, there was a sharp sword. The monkey picked up the sword. It waited for the fly to sit on the king's face again. When the fly landed on the king's nose, the monkey lifted the sword high. It wanted to kill the fly in one strong hit. Without thinking, the monkey struck hard. The fly flew away, but the sword hit the king. The king was badly hurt and died at once. The monkey cried loudly. It did not understand its mistake. It wanted to help, but it acted without thinking. Moral of the story: a foolish friend is more dangerous than a wise enemy. This story teaches us that good intentions are not enough. Wisdom and careful thinking are very important in life. A foolish action can cause great harm, even when the heart is pure. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe for more simple English stories for beginners. Which lesson did you learn from this story? Tell us in the comments below. Thanks for watching.